What if the only thing standing between you and surviving the cold wilderness is your ability to start a fire? Indeed, the art of fire starting is a crucial skill to master that can save your life in the wilderness. Picture this. You're stranded in the wilderness with the wind biting at your skin. What do you need most? Warmth. And what's the best source of warmth? A fire. Fire is not only a source of heat in such a situation, it can cook food, purify water, and even serve as a beacon for rescuers. It's a lifeline, a survival tool as old as humanity itself. Now, what do you need to start a fire? 3 things. A fire starter, which could be matches, a lighter, or a fire steel. Kindling, which includes small twigs, dry leaves, or paper. And fuel, like logs or large sticks. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting a fire. Starting a fire seems simple, right? But like any skill, it requires knowledge and practice. First, let's talk about gathering materials. You'll need a fire starter. This could be a match, lighter, or fire steel. Each has its advantages. Matches are easy to use but can be affected by wind and moisture. Lighters are reliable but can run out of fuel. Fire steels are durable and work in any weather, but they require a bit more skill. Next up is kindling. This is small, dry material that will catch fire easily. Twigs, dry grass, or small pieces of bark work well. Remember, the key here is dry. Wet or damp kindling won't light, so choose carefully. Lastly, you'll need fuel. These are larger pieces of wood that will keep your fire burning. Look for dry, dead wood. Avoid green or wet wood as it will produce a lot of smoke and not much heat. Once you've gathered your materials, it's time to build. Start by choosing the fire site wisely, where it will pose no threat of spreading to the forest or your campsite. A fire site works best if it is partially sheltered from the wind. Build a fire pit by making a circle of rocks with a few bigger rocks on the side facing the wind. Then add your kindling sheltered by the rocks and strike your fire starter to ignite the kindling. Once the kindling is ablaze, gradually add your fuel, starting with the smallest pieces and working your way up to the larger ones. Remember, fire can be dangerous. Always exercise caution when starting and maintaining a fire. Make sure you're in a safe location and keep water nearby in case of emergency. By following these steps, you can master the art of fire starting, a vital survival skill. Fire starting, a skill as old as humanity itself, remains an essential survival technique. We've journeyed together through its significance, the necessary materials, and a step-by-step guide. This isn't just an activity, it's a crucial survival skill. It's important to practice and become adept at it. The next time you find yourself in the great outdoors, remember, your survival could hinge on your ability to start a fire. Always bring several ways to start a fire: waterproof matches, a flint and iron, a lighter, and even a road flare. Always use extreme caution when starting a fire in the wilderness and build one so you have complete control of it. So keep practicing, stay safe, and let the spirit of adventure guide you.